Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder using a pine cone, peanut butter, and bird seed. So what you're going to need is a pine cone. I found this on my walk. You're going to need a knife or a popsicle stick, peanut butter. You might want to use smooth. All I had was extra crunchy. And a paper plate with bird seeds in it. So it's got some sunflower seeds, all that. And you're going to need a string. But first, take your string and tie it to the top. Parents, I just kind of tied it like a knot up under, pulled it, and then made another knot just on the top. All right, so pause the video when you need to. So after you have your string and your seeds laid out, open your peanut butter, and you're gonna take a big chunk out and spread it all over your pine cone. So you need to spread it all over. And you make it messy, and that'll be okay. So spread the top, hit the sides, spread it around. I'm gonna have to get some more. And you just kind of want to lightly coat it and make sure there's enough that your bird seed will stick to it. So you can kind of see mine, how it's looking. Okay, I'm almost done. I just need a little bit more. Alright, I think I got mine coated pretty well. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, now that you have that, take it and just roll it into your sunflower, or your seeds, your bird feeder. Alright, get it nice and covered. And there you go. You're ready to hang it in a tree or somewhere a bird can get it.